Are you tired of compromises? Tired of sacrificing performance for portability? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Today we're diving deep into the Asus ROG Ally X, a handheld gaming beast that's redefining what's possible. It's not just a gaming device, it's a portal to a world of unrestricted gaming power. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing and design. First impressions matter, and the ROG Ally X certainly makes a statement. Its sleek black design exudes a premium feel. The ergonomic grip ensures hours of comfortable gaming sessions. Let's take a closer look at the build quality. Performance breakdown. Now let's talk about the real meat of this device, the performance. Packed with a monstrous Z1 Extreme processor and a hopping 24 GB of RAM, this thing is a performance powerhouse. Don't just take my word for it. Let's see how it stacks up against its predecessor, the ROG Ally. The results are astonishing. Not only can it handle the latest AAA titles with ease, but it also effortlessly runs demanding indie games. Prepare to be amazed. Display and audio. A great gaming experience isn't just about power, it's about immersion. The ROG Ally X boasts a stunning 7-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the response time is lightning fast. Let's see how it handles fast-paced games. Show gameplay footage. And when it comes to audio, the built-in speakers deliver surprisingly good sound. While headphones will always be the preferred choice for immersive gaming, the Ally X holds its own. Battery life and software. One of the biggest complaints about handheld gaming devices is battery life. The ROG Ally X addresses this concern with a larger 8-watt battery. Let's see how long it can last on a single charge. Impressive. And to top it off, Asus has revamped the Armory Crate software. It's now more intuitive and offers a wealth of customization options. You can fine-tune performance, create custom game profiles, and even set up macros. Storage and cooling. Storage is crucial for gamers. The ROG Ally X supports full-size M.2 SSDs, offering ample space for your game library. Plus, there's a microSD card slot for additional storage. To handle the power packed inside, Asus has redesigned the cooling system. Let's see how it performs under stress. Thermal tests, impressive. The device stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Accessories and conclusion. To complement the ROG Ally X, Asus offers a range of accessories, including carrying cases, controllers, and charging docks. These enhance your gaming experience and protect your investment. Asus ROG Ally X is a game changer. It's a testament to Asus's commitment to pushing the boundaries of handheld gaming. With its incredible performance, stunning display, and long battery life, it's a dream come true for gamers on the go. If you're looking for a device that delivers desktop-class gaming performance in a portable package, look no further. The ROG Ally X is the ultimate handheld gaming experience. So what are you waiting for? Grab your ROG Ally X now and immerse yourself in a world of unparalleled gaming. Click the link in the description below to learn more and purchase yours today.